Okay. What is going on, y'all? Welcome back. So, yes, we're doing an unboxing, and if you stay to the end of the video, you'll see how you can actually end up getting some of this stuff that I end up not wanting. All you gotta do is follow me on Instagram and DM me which stuff that you want out of this box. I will try stuff on at the end, of course, as always. Let's crack into this. Again, link in the description for get $50 in your first box and stuff, whatever. Not sponsored, real opinions and stuff. Now, I'm looking at this first item, right? I'm in Florida. Right now, it looks like it's about 98 at least, right? So, my surprise when Threadbeast sent me some... Oh, wait, yeah, no, definitely. Oh, it's a Tommy. It's like a hoodie? Like a sweatshirt? It's a hoodie for sure. It's got a hood on it. Like the Tommy logo, the Tommy Hill on the logo. Are y'all feeling this? The checkered plaid print. It literally looks like a checkerboard. It literally looks like I'm jumping your king right now or whatever. Retail on it says it's $42, so that's like halfway of the box already. So that's number one. Let's try that later. That's actually on the floor now, so don't think I like have a table or something. 98 degrees, let's send them some freaking pants, woo! Happy Wednesday, or what is this? HWD, what do y'all think that means? What do you think that means? HWD, doesn't even make sense. They're making it up, they're making it up. Just some sweatpants, nothing much to it. They're like cuffed at the bottom, sort of, kind of, I don't know, I guess they're cuffed. But though, if these are like the male equivalent though, it's like they like make my ass look good, you know, like the girl ones, like, I'm with it. Doesn't even say what it means. Oh wait, found it. Halfway dead, halfway dead. As large, 42, 44, just so you know. I got one, I got one. It's a shirt, it's a shirt. The heck is this, dude? It's a Neff shirt. It's a red Neff shirt. I think I own like one Neff shirt and I barely wear it, so who knows? I don't know if you guys like that. There's that Neff shirt. It's a size large. Shirts will be. It's a nice little red. A lot of red, like, well, a lot of red. It's two red stuff already and some gray pants. Sheesh. All right, that kind of worked okay. Let's try that again. Ooh, what is this? A coupon? Oh, it's another Columbia tee, bro. Dude, they know me, dog. Like, is my cousin working there or something? Look at this nice salmon-colored Columbia shirt with the little swordfish on the bike. Look at that, dude. How long you think that bill is right there, dog? Yeah, I'll probably wear this nice casual tee just to roam around the streets of Florida with. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how many more items I have. I have one more item in here, and you might think that it's probably another shirt or some shorts. Nope. It is some CLS classic boxers, and they went with this type of red and green. I don't know if they knew it was Mexican, but hey, they're throwing me the red and green Johns right there. Let's pop these open real quick. Because I know that, I mean, I'm gonna wear these, so these aren't gonna be given away. But let's open this real quick. The Mexico-inspired freaking chonies right here. Sheesh, these look like biker shorts, dude. I'm about to be a luchador. Look at this thing. These stretchy pants. These are like silky, dog. They're gonna make my boys free. That's all I'm saying. These things are stretchy. These look kind of big. These look like shorts, bro. But yeah, that is what was in this box, obviously. So let's go try that on. Maybe it looks better in practice or in person. If not, then this whole box is gonna be given away. So let's go do that right now. Quick, as I was going through the box again, I found these champion socks on the side, like tucked in the side. I didn't even see them the first time, but I am keeping these. So I just wanted to show you guys that I got these inside the box also. But yeah, some cool little black champion socks right there.
Ice on a blade.
So yeah, as you can probably tell, most of that stuff I'm probably not gonna keep. Definitely not the sweatpants. Those are way too big on me. But yeah, just DM me on Instagram for any of the stuff that you want in this video. Again, it is first come, first serve, so just make sure to follow me and DM me on that. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to flip that trash into cash, and as always, I will see you on the next one.